One of the things that you will love about Taiwan is how convenient the public transportation is. We booked a multi-city ticket to travel from Manila to Kaohsiung and Taipei back to Manila, so we planned to travel between cities by the Taiwan High-Speed Rail. You can conveniently book two different types of ticket through Klook. First is the single journey or the one-way ticket, which is the most cost-effective option, and the second is for frequent travel. You can choose unlimited travel option. So reserving the seats in advance is very convenient. Simply download Klook app and you can also use my promo code mgraceklook for additional discount.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right.
The high-speed rail can go up to 300 kilometers per hour, but the ride was very smooth.
Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
While the train speed is so fast, it makes a few stops along the way between Kaohsiung and Taipei. On board the high-speed rail, travelers can enjoy added convenience with food vendors offering snacks and drinks throughout the journey, and there are also clean and well-maintained toilets available, ensuring a comfortable ride for all passengers. Finally, after just 2 hours of travel, we arrived at Taipei main station where we felt the busy life of the city. Speed and convenience of the high-speed rail made this cross-country journey feel effortless, and it truly highlighted how advanced Taiwan's infrastructure is. I couldn't help but marvel at how easy it is for us to travel from one end of the island to the other with minimal hassle. So, whether you're in Taiwan for a short stay or planning an island-wide adventure, this high-speed rail experience should definitely be on your itinerary. So again, download Klook app and you can use promo code MGraceKlook for additional discount.